The next machine is the leg press machine. Leg press machine is very simplistic to get into and only has one adjustment. Basically, you get into the machine, put your feet up on the pressing plate to press the adjustment lever so that you can get to the amount of stretch that you want, so you get the amount of squat that you want out of the press. With your back straight and your shoulders back, push straight up to a fully leg extended position, back to the starting position. Continue that for the desired number of repetitions. First of all, let's talk about the characteristics of the strength training circuit. Each machine has some characteristics that are common to every one of the machines to make it easier and safer for you to work out. First of all, each machine has an instructional placard. It's going to name the machine. It's going to show you which muscle groups you're going to be working. It's going to show you what position you should be in the starting position and in the midpoint of the position, midpoint position of the exercise. It's going to also count the repetitions that you go through during that particular set. It's going to tell you how long you've been working in that set. The amount of time comes in, well, if you want to go through a particular circuit in a particular amount of time. So the repetitions, of course, are just going to tell you how many sets of repetitions you did in that particular set. Some other things that are common to each machine: the weight stacks, you can increase the amount of weight in 10-pound increments. If your capabilities don't allow you to go up in 10-pound increments, you have smaller increments with the top knob here of the weight stack. You can go up in 2.5, 5, or 7.5 pound increments to help you build up to get up to that next 10-pound level. Another characteristic that's common throughout the machines are the things that are highlighted in yellow are, number one, the adjustment points of the machine, and number two are the pivot points of the machine, where your body should be naturally pivoting and where you should be lining up that natural pivot point for each machine. Another feature that's common to each machine is denoting the location of your seat position. When you adjust the position to use a particular machine, if you want to remember what the position is that is best for you, all you have to do is look on the side of the seat, and it denotes in numbers 1 through 7 what your position is. So if you just keep that number in mind when you come back to that particular machine, you'll be able to easily adjust it so that you can start working out immediately.